Hello students, last class we learned about basic proportional theorem and its converse of basic proportional theorem. Now we are going to discuss few applications of BPT and converse of BPT. See here few examples. Find x in the following figures. First one is six centimeters. Here 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, x and 6 centimeters. Find the x. See here in triangle ABC, they given DE parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. This symbol is a parallel, and they given here AD is equal to 3 centimeter, BB is equal to 4 centimeters, AE is equal to x, and EC is equal to 6 centimeters. Now, by basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, because DE parallel to BC, no? So, by substituting those values, 3 by 4 is equal to x by 6. Now, cross multiply here. What will you get here? If you cross multiply, 3 by 4 into 6 is equal to x. Only 6 I transpose this side. 2 2s are 2 3s are. 2 2s are 2 3s are. That is equal to 3 3s are 9 by 2 is equal to x. That means 4.5 centimeters. Its value is 4.5 centimeters. For cross verification, you can check that one. 3 by 4 is equal to 4.5 by 6. That is equal to 3 by 4 is equal to 45 by 60. 15 3 is 45, 15 4 is 60. 3 by 4 equal to 3 by 4. Okay. And the next one is here they did not give here EC value. AC value directly they given. Here in this one AD is equal to 1.5 centimeters they given. DB is equal to 4 centimeters is given. AE is equal to x centimeters. EC is equal to I don't know, but they given AC is equal to 6 centimeters. But they given AC is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay. Already after basic proportional theorem alternate proof, I gave a corollary is there. Some conditions I gave. I said that these are useful in while solving the problem applications. So by using that, here one of the corollary is here, since DE is parallel to BC, by using this one of the corollary, AD by AD is equal to AE by AC. Recall it. AD by AD is 1.5 by 8 is 4 plus 1.5, 5.5 it is equal to x by this total is 6. Now point move it. 15 by 55 is equal to x by 6. 5 3s are 5 11s. Now 3 by 11 is equal to x by 6. Cross multiply here. 3 into 6 by 11 is equal to x. X are not transposing. Only 6 are transposing. I don't get any cancellation here. 6 is 18 by 11 is equal to x. Now approximate value you get. You don't get exact decimal value because 11 is a prime number. Divide it is 18 divided with 11. 11 ones are 11. 7.0. 11 6 are 66. 4. Point is at 0. 11 3 are 33. Again 7. It continues. Means 1.6363 and so on. X is equal to 1.63. Okay. X is equal to 1.63 approximate value is. Okay, please note down this one. This is only approximate value, sir. Next one. This is 7.2 centimeters. This is x. This is 1.8 centimeters. This is 5.4 centimeters. And find the x. Since DE is parallel to BC, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Substitute those x by 7.2 centimeters is equal to 1.8 by 5.4. Point decimal point after one digit is there, so we can eliminate this decimal point here. So what do you get here? X by 7.2 is equal to 18 by 54. Decimal point after one digit, here also one digit. I cancel it. Now x is equal to 18 by 54 into 7.2 this 7.2. Okay, now x is equal to 18 by 54 into 72 by 10 we can write. Now cancel it. What are the cancellation possibilities? You cancel them. 9 2s are 18, 9 6s are 54. Okay, 6 1s are 6 2s are. Now x is equal to 12 2s are 24 by 10 is equal to 2.4 centimeters. Write down. Next one. In the adjacent figure, I'm drawing the first step. A, B, C, D, L, M. LM is parallel to CD. And LN is parallel to CD. LN is parallel to CD. In the adjacent figure, if LM is parallel to CB, LN is parallel to CD, then prove that AM by MD is equal to AN by ND. AM by MD is equal to AN by ND. AM by MD is equal to AN by ND. Listen to me now carefully. In the adjacent figure, LM is parallel to CB, LN is parallel to CD. Then prove that AM by MD is equal to AN by ND. We have to prove it. See now. In this one, what they given here in solution given is LN is parallel to CB they given, and LN is parallel to CD they given. Now required to prove is AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. Okay, this required to prove here, like theorem only I am proving here, not a numerical problem. Proof. Okay. In the adjacent figure, LN is parallel to CB, LN is parallel to CD they given. I need to prove it. AM by MD is equal to AN by ND. Given information is LN parallel to CB, LN parallel to CD. Now required information required to prove is AM by MD is equal to AN by ND. Now to prove that, first proof. First consider this triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, LM is parallel to CB. LM is parallel to CB means by basic proportionality theorem. By basic proportionality theorem, AM by MD is equal to AL by LC. AM by MB is equal to AL by LC. This is equation number 1. Okay, now take this triangle now. In triangle ADC, In triangle ADC, LN is parallel to CD. Again, by basic proportionality theorem, AL by LC is equal to AN by ND. AN by ND is equal to AL by LC. Again, by basic proportionality theorem, AN by ND is equal to AL by LC. This is equation number 2. Now, in this equation 1 and equation 2, AL by LC is common. AL by LC is common. So, from equation 1 and equation 2, from equation 1 and equation 2, AL by LC is common now. So, AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. AN by ND times 2. Okay? See here once again. LM is parallel to BC they given, LN is parallel to CD they given. So, in this first triangle, upper triangle, LM is parallel to CD. By basic proportional theorem, AM by MB is equal to AL by LC. Equation 1. Again, in this triangle, consider this triangle. In this one, LN is parallel to CD. Again, by basic proportional theorem, AL by ND is equal to AL by LC. This is equation 2. In equation 1 and equation 2, AL by LC is common. That means right hand side